Quickly, I want to show you how to measure your ring size from home. First off, you need to know what ring you're getting. Is it the engagement ring or the wedding ring? Here is where you put your engagement ring. Yes, now you know. So you put it here and you have to know that it's a little bit bigger than the wedding ring. As you can see how free that ring was. So after knowing that, you take your tape rule or your ruler, whichever one you have. There are two sides to this. There's the inches side and there is the cm size. This size, which is smaller, is the cm size, and that's what I'm using for this video. You measure the circumference of your ring. This is for those that have existing ring at home. So get the one that fits perfectly and do this measurement. Count the lines in between and wait for the next step. Then this is another one that you can do if you don't have an existing ring or in your house. Take a rope, take it around your ring finger or your index finger, any which one. Then when it goes round, just mark a place that they meet together. You can use a pen or a marker. I tried to use a pen, but I know you wouldn't see it and it's not really doing justice. So I took my marker and tried it, but this time it was a little bit bigger, so it might not give me exact thing that I wanted, but I hope you get the drift. You can use a pen, that will just give you a straight line. You take your ruler or your tape rule and either the inches or the cm size, anyone, it doesn't really matter. You do your measurement very well. You straighten the rope to give you an exact measurement of what you need. Then after doing that and noting it down, you go right into this ring chart board. You'll see all the columns. You see how everything is written there. There's in inches, there's in millimeters. Then if you're in Nigeria, we use United States and Canada ring chart board. Whatever you are, you can see your ring size chart board there, so you can use it. Get your ring size and send it to your ring vendor. Then please let me know if you have any issues. Ask me questions in the comment section. If you got your ring size, let me know in the comment section too. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. You are welcome. Take a screenshot so you don't forget.